Hi everyone, Mike here, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to use shortcuts to make a good app great. Specifically, I'm going to show you how I'm using shortcuts to interact with the iOS app Streaks Workout to start the workout I know I should do, even if my 5 a.m. self would rather take the easy route. There is a little bit of a walk to get to the shortcuts part of this video. I think the preamble helps add context, but if you want to jump straight to the automation portion of this video, there are timestamps in the description below to help you get right to where you want to be. Last year, just before the pandemic, I started working out in my basement every morning. It was part of my year of healthy habits. Read more about that in this blog post. While this video is not a review or tutorial for Streaks Workout, I like it a lot, and I think it's an excellent iOS citizen, meaning it does a great job interacting with all parts of iOS, including Apple Music, shortcuts, the Health app. There's even excellent Apple Watch integration. In the app, you select how long you want your workout to be, and it will assemble a workout for you from a list of bodyweight exercises built into the app. You can deselect any individual exercises from the rotation. I got rid of reverse planks and a few others, or even add custom exercises. I added some kettlebell work and a couple different types of push-ups. Eventually, I realized that there were some exercises I wanted to do more frequently than they were showing up in the random rotation. Fortunately, Streaks Workout also allows you to create a custom workout by choosing 6 exercises and a duration. In short, Streaks Workout is a very solid app, but I'm going to stop the app review there because that's all you need to know in order to understand the problem I was having and how I used shortcuts to fix it. So at around 5 a.m., cold and bleary-eyed in my basement, I want to tap a button on my phone and start playing some workout music and begin a workout. I want to make sure that I do my custom workout at least twice a week and a randomly assembled workout the other days. To make all that happen with one tap on my phone, shortcuts is my weapon of choice. So in version 1 of this shortcut, which I used for all of 2020, I set my volume to 75%, started playing this pop punk playlist, and since I can't leave well enough alone, logged my morning coffee in my calorie tracking app, put my workout on my calendar for time tracking purposes, and a follow-up meditation entry. Then, because I wanted to do the custom workout twice a week, I decided to do it on Tuesdays and Thursdays. I used the custom date format and an if statement to check to see if today's date started with a T. If it did, do the custom workout. In this case, this was the 12-minute version of the workout, which, because I can't resist alliteration, I called the Dirty Dozen. If the date does not start with the letter T, do the Everyday Workout, which is the name for the built-in 12-minute randomized workout. For good measure, I also turned on Do Not Disturb until the end of the meditation calendar event. Just recently, I decided I wanted to increase the frequency of my custom workout. Thought 1 was just to inverse the if statement that I had before. But then I would be doing my custom workout on Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, which is not a good idea. So I built a new version of the shortcut from scratch. For some time, I have been aware of the magic of dictionaries in shortcuts, but I've always been intimidated by them. I had a vague idea that they would be helpful for this shortcut, so I decided to force myself to learn by using them. I still don't know if I've learned about dictionaries, but it works. So I might explain this wrong right now, but feel free to subscribe to my channel and watch me learn over time. Either way, this is how I built my Basement Workout version 2.0 shortcut. It still starts off with the music and food logging. I didn't add the calendar stuff right now, and I'm not missing it, so I don't know if it'll get added back, but here is the dictionary magic. First, I custom format the date using 4 capital E's. This formatting option gives me the word for the day of the week fully spelled out. Then, My dictionary has all of the days of the week as keys, and the value for each key is what workout I want to run, either one of my custom workouts or a regular one. This little chunk feels sloppy, but it works. I want to get the value for the key that is today's date and use that in this if function. If that value says custom, do, in this case, my Elite 18 workout. Again, I'm a sucker for alliteration. If it is not a custom day, then do the built-in 18-minute workout called tough. I couldn't get the if statement to directly check the dictionary value, so I had to use this text box. I'm sure there's a better way, but again, it works. And that's it. Turns out that at 5 a.m., I don't really have to worry about turning on Do Not Disturb. In a few weeks, when I'm ready to increase the workout duration, I can quickly switch which workout gets started in the if statement without having to rebuild the dictionary. This shortcut helps me live up to my goals, with as little opportunity for pre-caffeine in my bloodstream me to choose an easier workout. Maybe you're not trying to trick yourself into working out in the morning, but hopefully this video highlights for you how shortcuts can help make a good app even better suited for you. If you need to rewatch any part of this video, you can find timestamps in the description below. You can also find a link to a post on my website. There, you will find links to both of the shortcuts that I shared in this video, as well as the other resources that I mentioned. As always, I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please consider liking, sharing, or subscribing. There will always be more content like this coming in the future.